1st to 10th. Exploring ordinal numbers in everyday life. Hello learners! Today, we're going to explore an interesting aspect of the English language: ordinal numbers. They're not just for rankings and races, they're part of our everyday life. We'll specifically focus on how we use ordinal numbers in addresses and for denoting the floors of a building. Are you ready? Let's jump in. Before we go deep, let's review. Ordinal numbers are numbers that indicate the order or position of something in a list. The first 10 are as follows: 1, first; 2, second; 3, third; 4, fourth; 5, fifth; 6, sixth; 7, seventh; 8, eighth; 9, ninth; 10, tenth. Remember, we use these numbers to show position, not quantity. Have you ever noticed how we say addresses? When we talk about houses, we use ordinal numbers. For example, we don't live at 1 Main Street. We live at 1st Main Street. Imagine your friend lives on 4th Street, or you're going to a restaurant on 10th Avenue. This is a very common use of ordinal numbers and one you'll hear often in everyday conversation. Now, let's step into a building. In English, we use ordinal numbers to denote the floor levels of a building. If you're in an elevator, you'll see buttons for the first floor, second floor, third floor, and so on. Let's say you work on the 7th floor of a building. Or maybe your dentist's office is on the third floor of the medical plaza. These are all practical examples of how we use ordinal numbers in our daily lives. That's a wrap, learners. We've explored the fascinating world of ordinal numbers and how they come alive in addresses and building floors. So the next time you're giving directions or pressing a button in the elevator, remember the importance of these ordinal numbers. Keep practicing and keep learning. See you in the next lesson.